In this video, I'll show you how you can check how much time you've spent in League of Legends. Now, keep in mind, in the League of Legends client, there's no way that you can currently do this. There used to be a way where you could go into your stats, but they removed that one. Now, the other way that you can do it is you can come over to this website called wall.gg, choose your server, username and tagline, and press how much time. From in here, it's gonna give you an estimate or dating all the way back to 2018. Now keep in mind, if you played before 2018, it's not gonna count back there. So it only goes back to 2018. Now it's gonna show you in minutes, hours and days, and also your rankings and also the equivalent. Now if you only wanna check for one season instead of all time, you can head over to op.gg, find your profile right here, and then look at your matches, plus them together, and then when you have them plus together, you can times that by 30, which is the average minute game of a League of Legends game. So that can also give you an estimate, which is of course not 100% true, but it can give you a good idea. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.